Hi guys, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. Thanks so much for being with us in the newsletter this weekend. As you can see, it's harvest time here in southern Indiana. That's our neighbor's field behind us, and they are harvesting soybeans today. It's a little bit loud, it's a little bit dusty today. This is not the day you want to hang all your towels out to dry out on your clothesline, because they will get very, very dusty. Trust me, I have learned that the hard way. In today's newsletter, I've got some delicious get you ready for fall recipes. We've got a slow cooker apple cinnamon French toast. So good, based on our classic original recipe slow cooker French toast. So I will link that in the newsletter as well, in case you want something just a little bit more traditional. I've also got an easy cinnamon bread. It's a quick bread, fantastic cinnamon flavor. I know you're gonna love it. And then, because measuring can sometimes be just a little bit tricky, I've also got a post about which measuring cup you should use. So you make sure you're using the right measuring cup when you are to measure the right ingredients. So everybody wave to the combine. Say, thank you, farmers. Thanks for feeding us. Thanks for working so hard at everything you do. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you later. Bye.